finir.
means to finish. In this video, we will learn the verb to finish in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is second group regular verb, and it follows this pattern for its conjugation. Let's conjugate it using this pattern. I finish.
Je finis.
You finish. Informal way.
Tu finis.
He finishes. Masculine.
Il finit.
She finishes. Feminine.
Elle finit.
We finish or one finishes. Informal way.
On finit.
We finish. Formal way.
Nous finissons.
You finish. Formal way.
Vous finissez.
They finish. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils finissent.
They finish. Group of only females.
Elles finissent.
This French verb is used to express completing an action or reaching the end of something. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I finish my coffee.
Je finis mon café. Je finis mon café.
You finish your book.
Tu finis ton livre. Tu finis ton livre.
He finishes his meal.
Il finit son repas. Il finit son repas.
She finishes her work.
Elle finit son travail. Elle finit son travail.
One finishes the day.
On finit la journée. On finit la journée.
We finish our homework.
Nous finissons nos devoirs. Nous finissons nos devoirs.
You finish your dinner.
Vous finissez votre dîner. Vous finissez votre dîner.
They finish their movie.
Ils finissent leur film. Ils finissent leur film.
They finish their exercises.
Elles finissent leur exercice. Elles finissent leurs exercices.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I finish.
Je finis.
You finish. Informal way.
Tu finis.
He finishes. Masculine.
Il finit.
She finishes. Feminine.
Elle finit.
We finish or one finishes. Informal way.
On finit.
We finish. Formal way.
Nous finissons.
You finish. Formal way.
Vous finissez.
They finish. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils finissent.
They finish. Group of only females.
Elles finissent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.